Then we see the intro. We see the intro, and then we click on the after. Now we are on the live stream. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all again.
Yeah, it's nice to see you.
Right?
Yeah, today is Tuesday, and we have a lot of good news from today because the Bitcoin price go up again due to so many positive news recently, and then we will collect some of the good news and we share to all of you. And later on, we will discuss how's the price movement of the cryptocurrency on this day. And the main article today we would like to share the Bitcoin price could hit 85K in a month at the indicator flip bullish. Mr. Nicholas, just now
you know I'm smiling, right? Just now I asked Richard earlier, just a moment ago, 85K in months. How many months is that? Maybe 3 months, 5 months, 10 months, 12 months, 18 months. I don't know.
That's
but
right.
That is quite positive news, I would say. Whoever is writing this, and I believe that they are basically deriving the notion from how the market moves and how these whales do their stuff. Yeah,
that's right. And then with in some indicator they says 85K, yes, possible because the big price on April is around 63,000, right? And
63,000 for what?
On April, the price of the Bitcoin.
In April, yeah, for Bitcoin, yeah.
And this is about 63,000. And then with so many positive news like Salvador, like Tesla accept Bitcoin again, and like some of the CEO of MicroStrategy, he sell out some of the stock and he buy in some of the Bitcoin, buying more. Yeah, that is some of the news, the latest news we want to share to our audience in this morning. And the first news we see is this one. It could hit in the month indicator. Yeah, let's have a look on this article to see how it could hit on the months. Yeah, they say that it needs to bump 10% the positive remark from Elon Musk because he tweets about the Tesla will accept Bitcoin, and this jump from 35,000 to 40,000 within a nice
35,000 to 40,000.
Yeah, that's right. Yesterday,
about 40 plus or something.
Yeah. Now it's around 40,500. Yeah. And then,
you mean just a couple of days ago, right?
Yeah, that's right. And we see this chart is the bigger price in the Coinbase September 2020. In this article, in the charts, we will compare between 2020 with 2021 how's the price movement, because before it can hit high, it will have the correction like of this. The price go down a little bit. Here's if we compare from here from September, the price around 12,000. But after the few months, September, October is go down. November is hit hard. November to December is hit hard, and it's reached 18 to 19,000. Yeah, went up 74% within 2 months. And now within a few days, just hit 5%. They say the 3-month future premium is neutral. this article shared to us in 3 months. Within 3 months, let's see, in 3 months, this is a basic rate, user rate 5,000 to 50,000 healthy market. Now the market is recovering. It show us the Bitcoin option 25%, and that's some of the report to compare between the past from September 2020 until when the price movement is hit from 5% to 74% within 3 months, within the months. It say that from now is June, it could hit until September. September or December, from September to December, from June to September, and the price have looked, and we see the price. Some of the Bitcoiner, they say that Bitcoin could hit 100,000 within these years. To see how, let's see some of the article. We see that the strategy may sell $1 billion in stock to buy more. This is some this from the twist of the from the Michael Saylor, the CEO of the MicroStrategy, one of the company to hold the largest amount of the coin. This announcement of the MicroStrategy. Let her look here. It say that it can sell the stock. It sell the stock to get the amount to buy more Bitcoin. So this public announcement of the MicroStrategy. Okay, let's see one more thing about the Salvador.
El Salvador.
El Salvador. After it say that Bitcoin is a legal tender in the country, and many the Central American Development Bank, they say they will help the country to integrate the system for the economic integration, will assist the country with the technical support. This is good news because some of the bank, the IMF, the other central bank, they also worry about us because they worry about how to get from the people when they jump into the crypto. That's why the Central Bank of American Development Bank jump in. They say, "Oh, I have you to integrate this and that," so they can control, they can manage the tax. That's the reason, the main reason. It says so when we see this article, we see from the in America, of course, the Fed, the Central Bank of America, they also don't like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, but in some of the other states of USA, they also support crypto, they also support Bitcoin. Example, in Texas, in Miami, and in the other states like that. They want to accept, they want to integrate the blockchain and cryptocurrency, and they want to move fast, but they need to wait for the regulation from the government too. We also find some the other article. We say the IRS, right? The IRS, you see, is targeting the illicit Bitcoin trading on the Telegram. Of course. On Telegram is very complicated if you do trading here, because because within the Telegram application, it's so hard to it's so hard to get the history from the other after they chatting, and
Yeah.
yeah,
When I look at all this, is the IRS is targeting illicit Bitcoin trading on. Yeah, they may go and target, but people on Telegram,
yeah,
it is like a community, right? When for those of you new traders, you find some Telegram group, go and join this group and get some updates of what's going on in the market as well. But when people, you and me, if we join a Telegram group that is very into Bitcoin, buying, selling Bitcoin, so at the end of the day, it is up to each individual to do a transaction, right? So the RIS may be targeting this I don't know, but how are they going to determine whether this is potential money laundering or whatever? But
yeah,
I think the main concern for IRS is just tax. You guys trading there without telling me, and you're not paying tax. I want to tax you, so I come and watch and target you this group of people who are using Telegram to do trading. Yeah, but at the end of the day, Bitcoin cryptocurrency is supposed to be decentralized. It's supposed to be, technically speaking, a free market, so to speak. Yeah, so aren't they doing a little bit too much for the control? Yeah. So I think just like the last live stream we had,
yeah, yeah,
we're talking about whether Bitcoin, uh, how much people are using Bitcoin to do, what do you call that? A laundering or money laundering or whatever. Yeah,
yeah,
so all these illegal activities. But you have to look at the fiat first. Fiat has been used to do illegal activities all the while. So then using these illicit activities, illicit transactions as a excuse or reason to want to clamp down or to want to watch this Bitcoin transaction is basically because of the lack of tax that they could potentially get. That's what I think it is. Back to you, bro.
yeah. That's but you're right, because the when we see in this article, we know that the Telegram is a privacy breach.
Yeah,
The secret chat on Telegram is a privacy preserving chat app that end-to-end encrypts user message. Um, user message. This nowadays when I see the Telegram is one of the most application chat app that can protect the user, because if you
yes,
use the other application, the central server can tracking your message. Within the Telegram, you use the secret chat. Example, secret chat. You only
yeah,
can create a secret chat on only one device, and you can set after the few seconds or few minutes. It will automatically destroy your message. Yeah, this is one of the
yeah,
strongest point of Telegram. However, the bad actor, they use to do trading. That's why I don't recommend, if you do trading crypto on Telegram. Uh, you you can use the Telegram to discuss, to chat about crypto. But if you do trade crypto on Telegram, it's very risky for you. Yeah, if you do trading B2B, it's better use to find the famous escrow. Yeah, the famous escrow like like the exchange, like some exchange to do trading there, and then they can protect the buyer or seller. By the way, if you know the person, you can do trading B2B on Telegram. But if you don't know them, him or her, it's better don't do trading crypto on this. Yeah. As I know, a few years ago, I also tried to do trading on the Telegram, but mostly use Telegram to do trading face to face, to meet up first,
Yeah,
to make the uh, that means to get the connection with the buyer or seller first.
yeah.
Yeah,
Telegram is basically a way for you to communicate with the seller between the buyer and between buyer and seller. You communicate, and then perhaps if you are in the same country or city or town, you can just meet up and just do a transaction over there. Yeah, so that would be the safest move.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
And
that is why crypto community need to grow. Yeah, because if the crypto community grow, and then there'll be more people in a certain location, and all this start to happen, and then you have a good pool of buyers and sellers, and things will move very smoothly. Yeah.
yeah, that's right. And I found another positive news about Tudor Jones. You may remember he's one of the billionaire to invest in the Bitcoin in the early stage when the Bitcoin price around 10,000 before the halving. Yeah, you remember. And
I,
he,
I I think there's some, yeah, I cannot remember the details, but I remember this name.
yeah, you may remember his name, and now he just advised should have at least 5% Bitcoin. Uh, he says in his diversified investment portfolio should have at least 5% Bitcoin. Yeah, he's one of the hedge fund manager about to the yeah. He says he wants his portfolio with 5% Bitcoin, and he doesn't rule out that he can invest more crypto depending on the Fed's next move. Yeah, his Fed next move can issue more fiat, can print out more money. So he advised, yeah, you can do some uh, uh, do the investment, yeah, make your decision
Yeah.
in the crypto too. Yeah, that is a nice move. And we see the other article, how is the status, his status on CNBC. Yeah, let's see the status on CNBC. Let's, yeah, this the interviews on CNBC maybe, and he says 5% in gold, 5% in Bitcoin, 5% in cash, 5% in commodities. Yeah, this is one of his suggestion. Okay, I mean to let can look in. Yeah, he's at the legend investor. Yeah, this is just an interview, the talking the Bitcoin price. Yeah, the other Bitcoin price now is 40,500. It's back make the price. Yeah, some of the articles shared to us say about following the Musk and the Tanzania news. Oh, what the
Tanzania news?
Yeah,
What is the Tanzania news? I'm more
yeah.
curious about
So
the Tanzania news than
yeah, me too. Because I also know about the Musk So let's have a look at the Tanzania news. We have a look now. Based on the forecast, the Tanzania considers crypto and boost Bitcoin as a national line up behind El Salvador to embrace the decentralized finance. Yeah, that's the news in Tanzania.
That is nice.
Yeah, that's
Tanzania.
nice.
Yeah,
Because
Tanzania is somewhere in Africa.
yeah, somewhere in Africa. The president Samia Suluhu Hassan, he go on the Tanzanian central bank. He said working to spread wide the use of cryptocurrency in the East African nations. Yeah, the country in East Africa, and yeah, because of the considering that's bring the price of Bitcoin go up, and together with the Musk this, yeah, it's nice to see that. It's nice to know that. And now we see the price of Bitcoin is 40,500.
Yeah.
And
hopefully the price will do good in the next couple of weeks. Then we'll be able to see some. Yeah, then we'll be able to see some good profit out of it. Yeah, because the last few weeks it has been going sideways, and I think it's been going sideways for too long.
Yeah, that's right. We says in the article says something about the Bitcoin debt loss. Bitcoin debt loss is here. Is look like here. Let's see. It says some between the EMA and SMA 200. So
what is a crossing point? What did it say?
This crossing point. This chart says debt loss. The debt loss. Let's have a look to see more, because some analysts believe a bottom may have been hit, because warning a future fall due to the debt loss pattern. Yeah, this debt loss pattern. In the debt loss pattern, he said that the bottom of the price may hit, and it's time for the price to rise.
What does red line means in this chart?
The MA 50 day, and the red line is MA 200, SMA 200. Is the indicator. It's a LTC and USD trading charts.
Right.
Yeah. And recent Bitcoin debt loss. Let's have a look at recent Bitcoin debt loss, because with the Bitcoin debt loss is a bottom. We may see that is the bottom of the price when it jumped down. Bottom only there. This is this price of the Bitcoin on 26 March 2020 last year. They will use some of the history to see the debt loss, and we see what the debt loss here, the bottom 2018. Yeah, is that the key takeaway? This article to share to us to know. Oh, it is at this point is the buy signal, because the price is at the bottom. Because a few weeks ago, a lot of people worry, will the price go down further or something like that.
Yeah.
And as we think, and we guess, we say that the price may go sideways and go to it may go sideways to do more collection. Now, of course, it's true, and now it's time for the price go further when we see good news from so many stocks. But don't feel very overexcited, and yeah, it may make us feel bad when the price go down. Yeah. Here is also this is not. It's not a. This news is had June 13. It's from yesterday.
They're talking about it again.
This article is about Tesla will begin accept Bitcoin payment. Yeah, this article is a news article.
Okay, let me share something. How I think will people start to use Bitcoin to pay for a lot of things in the future, and or is there a possibility? So earlier on we covered what Tanzania, they are planning to do something similar with just like how El Salvador did. Yeah, so I think these two countries are probably not the only countries that are going towards this direction. Yeah, so there could be a number of more countries in Africa continents that are probably looking at the same direction as what El Salvador has been looking at. Yeah, so in fact, when you look at it, it is telling us the kind of potential cryptocurrency has, and the kind of position cryptocurrency is preparing to take in the future of in our economy in the future. Yeah, because if you look at it, people are getting tired of having a dollar that is backed by nothing other than words and promises. Yeah, so it needs to be backed by something. Yeah, and these African countries, they are getting more and more worried about how if you El Salvador is not in Africa, it's somewhere Central America. So
in
these countries. Yeah, these countries, when they have their currencies, when they're using certain particular currency, and this currency is basically backed by nothing, and they will start to have work. I mean, any president or any country leaders of this country will start to worry when the big boys are printing too much money. So when they start to look at in the direction of crypto, I believe they have given it much thought. They have been thinking of the possibility and the outcome of what may happen if the US dollar go down. Yeah, so cryptocurrency is basically slowly taking shape in the world economy, I believe. While at the same time it is taking shape in a lot of people's interest. Yeah, so you see a number of people who previously are not very interested in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. I believe they are beginning to start asking you guys, hey, how can I trade Bitcoin? How can I buy Bitcoin and things like that? Yeah, so these things are slowly happening and increasingly happening in an increasing pace. Yeah, so let us know about this article that you are looking at, Richard. I believe that it can help some of these new people. All right.
When so many people jump into the cryptocurrency, so that the IRS is watching you and they want you to declare some of the other the crypto asset in order for them to get to tax you. And number 10, that's when some of the other fill up the IRS form, they improperly reporting cryptocurrency received from the airdrop, fork, and split. This means, example, if you receive 10 of the coin and the coin is forked to another coin like ETC, ETH, you have the same amount, but you forget to declare. You need to remember like that. Yeah. And number 9 is fail to report crypto to crypto transaction. Yeah. Some people, the crypto know, they may know that, but with some of the other, they also, I'm lazy to report this one. Luckily, we are not in US, so we don't worry about this filling this report. Yeah. And wrong form report cryptocurrency transaction. And number 7, improper reporting received at the earned income. Yeah. Fair to report the exchange for goods and service. Sometimes you buy the crypto from the exchange, you need to report it. Fair to repair and maintain. Record reflects crypto transaction gain and loss. Like I said, to report crypto. This article sometimes it looks like we do very serious about do the file report if you have the cryptocurrency, because if you fail to report the cryptocurrency at all, IRS will say we see you. Yeah. If you not report income.
Yeah, the good thing for you and I and some of our listeners is that we are not there. We are here in Southeast Asia, so we are not subjected to all this.
Yeah, that's why so many crypto billionaire or millionaire, they also find the other state, find the other place with the tax fee, with the cryptocurrency open widely to join that, because it's very complicated if you own the cryptocurrency here. It's now we go to the other article. This one just now we see that from the Forbes and this one, the Bitcoin.
This guy has big appetite.
Yeah, Bitcoin biggest corporate investor like 5 million to buy more as a crypto price were up, because we see the MicroStrategy sell the bond to acquire some more Bitcoins. Yeah, here's all the company show the interest in the cryptocurrency. Yeah, after the few weeks when the central bank, the IMF, they can't find any first unique news, so they must allow some of the positive news to boost up the price of crypto.
Otherwise, nobody will be searching up yet.
Because in China also the same. In China, they also say something. They ban the cryptocurrency somewhere, and then the price of Bitcoin is still very firm as around 35,000, and now it's go up. This is Bitcoin price, SEC, DOGE Bank, read this man. Yeah, some here. In China, all the Yunnan Bitcoin miner to close the operating by the end of June. Yeah, it's also the first news. Some of the first news about the
nice place.
Some of the first news about the Thai SEC. They don't want the meme coins. Yeah. No dogs allowed in the Thai SEC bank, meme, fan and exchange token, as well as NFT. Yeah, this article also funny article because this is one of the movement from the Thailand SEC. they don't want some of the funny crypto, the funny coin like the Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and many tokens. Yeah, they close all. Yeah.
Honestly speaking, if I am them, I look at the name of the coin like, what, you trying to be funny?
Yeah, that's why when we see that the price of crypto, the price of here's 40,000. Yeah. Let me say hello to our currently in our YouTube live stream. Let me say thank you to our audience there. Thanks and hello to our audience. Hello. Yeah. Hello, Mr. Phan Công Phượng. Hello, Mr. Trang Ngọc Trinh. Hello, Mr. Tình Thương. Hello, Mr. Kha Nguyễn. Hello, Stephanie. Yeah. Thanks all join our live streaming this morning. Share to audience about crypto news and about our crypto market. Before we complete our live stream, I would like to share about the trading view to see the price movement of our crypto, of our bitcoins, to see how the price when is the next target of the Bitcoin price, and we can set the price target if we can buy or sell at that price. Yeah, I usually use the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, the next resistance is around 46,000. Yeah. With the 46,000, the price may have an adjustment.
Yeah, Richard, what happened to you? All right, he was talking about the price retracement. Yeah, back. Are you back? Let's wait for him to be back.
Good morning today. Yeah. So,
bro, I think your connection like disappeared. You know? Are you still there? Or is it mine?
just now I have a little bit connection, so I can't.
I thought it was mine, so I tried to off my video and off my camera and see whether it comes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, glad you are back.
Okay, so before we complete our live stream, I would like to say thanks all our audience. Let me share the video clip of us. Thanks for your watching, to let people feel excited about this. For a long time, I share this article. Yeah, and hope you have a nice day in this week, in the beginning of week. If you have any question, please let us know on the comment, and please do subscribe if you forget to subscribe our channel. Mr. Nicholas, you can.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us. Thank you all for tuning in to us. So we appreciate that very much, and hope you continue to support us. Yeah, so do share this link with your friends or whoever that is interested in crypto, and then of course we can always help each other out with some information in the market that is affecting or influencing the crypto prices, right? See you again very soon. Yeah, for me, I'll see you all slightly later. But see you all again